I wanted to do a video, kind of like a response to Silverfish and Don Harold, who made PidBid, because when you sell your silver to a dealer or to, you put it on an auction on eBay, Silverfish mentioned that you are going to get fleeced. You're not getting the full value of of your silver. Okay, so it just so happens that I wanted to do an experiment and sell a few of my coins to see how much I would get. And I'm going to show you a chart that I made, or not a chart, but like a data set that I made in Excel here. Okay, so here's a data set. I put up an ounce of Buffalo Round and 1 ounce of 2009 American Silver Eagle. They were not in tip-top, out of the tube condition. I did mention to the people in the listing that I did clean them with a cleaner, and most people don't seem to care. But I looked, and well, here's the total that it sold for: 25.67 for the Buffalo Round and 27.69 for the Silver Eagle. And I think the fresh out of the mint, fresh out of the tube ASE were selling for like 28 to 30. So not that much of a difference, but still there is a difference, right? And I'm gonna go over the breakdown of the fees and everything after you sell it. So just in case you guys are looking to sell your stuff, this is what's gonna happen when you sell on eBay. Okay. Alright, so the eBay fee over here, this is 10% of the total value over here. Okay, so eBay is going to take 10%, and then PayPal is going to take 2.9% plus 30 cents. Okay. So an additional 30 cents added to your fee. And then I calculated the fee for each coin. That's $5.54. And then it's $5.80 for the Silver Eagle. And the total fee is $11.34. That's $11.34 I could have obtained by selling the two Eagles directly to the customer. But it's hard to find those people that would be willing to pay unless it's through something like eBay. The eBay is the middleman here. And so what happened to the total received on my end is that I got $20.13 for the Buffalo Round, $21.89 for the American Silver Eagle, for a total of $42.02. And on that day when it sold, it was $43.40 in terms of spot price value. It was, I think the closing was around $21.70, and so 2 ounces should have been $43.40. And what did I get? $42.02. So a dollar right below, a dollar below the spot price. Well, 50 cents below the spot price, right? And what I did in terms of shipping, I used eBay's label printer, and then they give you a little discount, so I got the $1.93 instead of the $2.20 whatever cents. And I listed it up during the free listing. Okay. And as far as the packaging, I had some envelopes that I received from MCM when I ordered some stuff, so I kept those. It's like when I buy silver, I usually open up the packaging really slowly and nicely so I can reuse the packages. And that's what I did. And taped it up. I printed the label, printed out, and I sent it out yesterday. So the customer should be getting their coin in the next few days. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you sell your silver on eBay. And Silverfish brought up a really nice point about finding a different avenue of doing these better trades. So like I won't be getting 1134 back if I sold it on a different place. There's a bunch of bulletin boards out there, and Don Harold's trying to come up with something which is pretty cool. But what we would do is see the 1134. I think the buyer could have half and I could have half, right? So that this doesn't go to eBay, and we'll meet somewhere in the middle between, the high and the low. So at least I would get a little bit, maybe $5 more, and the buyer would be able to buy it for $5 less. All right. So this is something to think about for everybody who has silver and want to sell. I heard some people who sell to Provident said they get a little bit over spot, which is cool, but then you got to factor in the shipping. All right, so that's what I got for today. Thanks for watching.